channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. I received a couple boxes from Influenster, and of course I wanted to share them with you guys. I'm always excited to receive free products in the mail, and I think this one here is for one of my kids, Teen Voxbox, and they sent a deodorant for her to try. Product here on the card, and then this is what they sent. They sent the aluminum-free Dove Teens Melon Punch deodorant, 48-hour protection. It is a full size, and let's just see what it smells like. Oh, that smells really, really nice. She's going to enjoy that. So there's that product there. I will try to put a price on the screen if I can of the retail value. This next box they sent me from the brand Asano. I might be pronouncing that wrong, but that is what it looks like right there. And it looks like a skincare brand, and it looks like they sent me full-size products, which is always super exciting. I've never heard of this brand, and so that's exciting as well. The first thing they sent is a collagen boost night cream, intense hydration for fine lines and wrinkles, enriched with plant peptides and rose hip oil. It is a 1.70 fluid ounce right there. It says wake up refreshed, deeply moistured skin, used regularly for intense moisture and youthful skin. It says scientifically formulated to help the skin's hydration levels, improve suppleness for firmer skin, and improve pores and texture. Cruelty free. It's made in New Zealand. It's exciting. I'm definitely excited to give this a try. I currently do not have a night cream open, so I could probably try this here soon. This is the Rose Hip Certified Organic Oil. Moisturize and hydrate for fine lines, stretch marks, and uneven skin tone. It says it's made with rosehip oil, acai berry antioxidant oil, and vitamin E. This is what the packaging looks like. That looks like right there. Super excited to give this a try. And I'm almost done with my current oil, and it is Elemis, the rose one, I think is what it is. This is the Collagen Boost Serum. Deeply target fine lines and wrinkles right there. It is a glass bottle as well. And this is a 1 fluid ounce. So I did just recently open a serum. So I'm going to hold off until I'm done with that one. But I may be able to use that one for day and this one for night with the rest of these products. So thank you so much, Influenster, for these products. And Asano, I think is how you say it, and Dove, thank you so much for these products to try. I will definitely be giving you guys my thoughts on all of these products, what I think, if they're working, all of that. It'll take me some time to get into these products, but I'll definitely let you guys know what I think of them for sure. So this is going to complete this video, sharing with you guys the couple boxes that I received from Influenster. As I always tell you guys, definitely check down below because I have my link that will take you over to sign up. It is free. You just do reviews. They'll send you random questionnaires and see if you are compatible to the campaign that they're doing at that specific time. And if you are, then they will send you the products. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely let me know if you've received anything from Influenster, if you are signed up or you're not. I would love to know that down in the comments below. Okay friends, it's that time. We're going to be picking our giveaway winner for the Glam Light Pizza Palette and some other goodies. Thank you to everyone who entered. I really do appreciate it. There were 33 people who entered, answered my question and the emoji I requested, so thank you so very much. I really do appreciate it. Just know if you did not win this giveaway, there will be more to come, so stay tuned for that. Good luck to everybody. Okay friends, so there you go. There is the winner for our giveaway. It is Walk In For Life, She is the winner for this giveaway, so thank you so much. Congratulations to you. Let me go over and check her channel, make sure she is subscribed to me and that I can view it, because that is one of the requirements. She does have a channel as well. She does all kinds of different things on her channel. So let's go ahead and see. You could see there, that is what she does on her channel. And let's make sure that she is subscribed to me, excuse me. There I am right there. Her channel, like I said, she does make her own videos as well. And she is the winner. There's some of her recent uploads. You guys may want to check out her channel. I'll have her linked down below. But congratulations. I will get in contact with you on Instagram, or you can contact me prior so that I can go ahead and get some information from you and all of that. So thank you guys again. Congratulations. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.